This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rotate the two plastic nuts anti-clockwise and remove them. Pull the light cluster rearwards, then depress the clips and disconnect the wiring plug. Squeeze together the clips and detach the bulb holder assembly from the cluster. Depress the relevant bulb slightly, rotate it anti-clockwise, and pull it from the holder. Align the bayonet pins of the bulb with the slots in the holder. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. The pins are offset. Insert the bulb, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Refit the bulb holder assembly to the cluster, ensuring the retaining clips engage correctly. Reconnect the wiring plug, then manoeuvre the light cluster into position. Refit the plastic nuts and tighten them securely.